Hey guys, today we're looking at another knife from GearBest. It's this one's Fura pocket knife. You could say it's a clone of some other knife. Yeah, it's Serge Panchenko bean. I guess it's a homage or just a clone. I tried to heat treat it. I'll probably do some more, but it looks pretty well. Looks pretty nice, I guess. It's a flipper. Yeah, but it's actually kind of hard to do one-handed. It's a cleaver. Yeah, I don't know. It was just really cheap, and I wanted to try the S35 VN steel as well. Can you see that? Yes, you can. It's supposed to have pretty good steel. Well, I don't know. It's actually really sharp. I think it's shaving sharp. Pocket clip is titanium as well, I think, because I was like heating it up before and it got a bit blue. Not like this, but I don't think it's like, well, I guess it is real titanium because it changed color. I tried it first time, but it kept rubbing off. I don't know what's, yeah, I think it's still rubbing off a bit. I don't know if I need to keep it on the heat for a bit longer, because I'm just using a regular propane torch. Yeah, I think I'll remove the clip as well, but I don't have the small Torx like T5, I think it's, or T4. I only have like T9. Yeah, it's a flipper knife. I think it has ball bearings as well. Yeah, but oh yeah, I did it. Yeah, it's actually just so small, so nice. Titanium S30 VN, and it was a flash sale for only, what was it, like 14 euros, I think. Yeah, $15. I don't think you can pass it up. You can't find anything better for that price with these materials, at least. Titanium S35 VN. I saw other people receive like metal boxes, but this one's good, I guess. I don't even use them anyways. So yeah, that's the Serge Panchenko. Oh yeah, that's his logo. These original knives go for like a couple $100. Yeah, he's from Ukraine. Like custom knife maker from Ukraine that lives in America, I think. These are stupid expensive, but they look so beautiful on his website. So yeah, that's all. Oh, thanks for watching.